Hello, and what I'm going to be discussing and talking about today in this video is the Mrs. Grissom's Old Fashioned Pimento Cheese. This stuff is so good and it is so addictive. Like, oh my goodness. Like this stuff is amazing. Like, I am so glad that I did this event and we was actually serving Mrs. Grissom's. Like, they have, I think we were sampling, like, this was years ago. We were sampling like 4 different ones. The pimento cheese, they have smoked Gouda, the buffalo chicken dip. That is, oh my goodness, all of them are really good. Okay, the pimento cheese, the smoked Gouda, they have buffalo chicken dip, which is so good, but that's the only one that you gotta heat up, but it is amazing. Chicken salad, those are the only ones that I've actually tried and actually like. I haven't tried any other ones. I know they have like ham salad and egg salad. I'm not really a big fan of those two. It has nothing to do with the brand. It's just that I don't eat anybody's stuff. I don't like that. Anyway, this was so good. Like, you can have this like on crackers or what's it called? Scoops. Scoops, you know, multi-grain or whatever. And they work good as well. Or I remember that we was having a discussion on using this for, like, if you was to have like a hamburger, you want something in between, you know, stuffing. I guess the pimento cheese stuffed burger. I heard that was amazing. I think you can use it for like grits or stuff too, or the smoked Gouda, one of those two. But I think you can use that. I mean, if you like pimento cheese, then by all means. So this, I believe this brand and this company was based out of Nashville, Tennessee, if I want to be correct. I really hope that I am. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, another good thing about this pimento cheese is that it is gluten-free. So people that don't eat anything required with gluten, this is something that you can eat. I believe all of their products are gluten-free. So that is amazing. Now, once I open it, it kind of looked like, but I mean, don't let the look scare you. Don't let the look fool you. This is some good stuff. Okay, so what I like about this is that when you're done using it, they have it where you can close the clamp all around to make sure that the container is secure. Like, of course, I think there was like a rubber on it, or I think you could just easily pull it up. I can't remember. I was just so excited and trying to hurry up and rip off what I needed to rip off. But yeah, and then once you're ready to eat some of this stuff, just kind of clamp it all around. Yeah, this is freshly, kind of like freshly, but you can tell I like dug in something in here. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's creamy. It does taste better if you have it refrigerated. Put it in the refrigerator. There we go. But with the burger, I'm pretty sure that tastes good too because it's melted and it is amazing. I know it is because I had a pimento, I think it was like a cheese sandwich, grilled cheese sandwich. So on the burgers, you know it is definitely good. But something like this, as far as the container wise, you want to put it in the refrigerator. Keep it chilled. I actually like it cold as well when I'm eating with chips. I don't necessarily like it warm, eating it with crackers or multi-grain chips. I don't know why. I just feel like when it comes to like hot dishes, as far as sandwiches wise, then yes, but with crackers and everything else, I prefer it to be cold. So when it comes to that, in my opinion, it's better cold or whatever. But this is what it looks like. You see, you got peppers in it too, and you just kind of dip your scoop in, or dip your cracker in, or dip your chip in. I think multi-corn I was gonna say multi-corn chips, but corn chips taste good with these too. Multi-grain chips taste good with these as well. The smell of it smell like pimento cheese, and it smells, I don't know if this is gonna make sense, it smells cold. I don't like, not frostbitten, it has a fresh aroma to it, if that makes sense. Like, it doesn't smell like it's a whole bunch of things going on in this container. I don't know if I'm making sense, but it smells fresh, in my opinion. It smells like pimento cheese. It smells like, that's pretty much all I could smell in this. I don't really smell like the peppers or anything with it. Okay, the ingredients. Yeah, I believe, yeah, company was based out of Nashville, Tennessee, so I know what I'm talking about. Okay. Like I said before, they do have different flavors. Smoked Gouda is amazing. The buffalo chicken dip, I think it's like with cheese with it. One of those two. But that you have to warm it up, like in a microwave or something. Not going to really discuss too much about that because I want to talk about this pimento cheese. But yes, this is amazing. So go ahead and get you some. Again, this is Mrs. Grissom's. Let me pull it up so you definitely see it. Mrs. Grissom's Select Old Fashioned Pimento Cheese. And you can see real cheese. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm just going, oh, there it is. Real cheese. And I had to hurry to get some because it was on sale.